Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from Samco.
Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Abhange and today I am going to talk about the upcoming IPO of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. Mazagon is planning to raise maximum of Rs.414 Cr from offer for sale of 3 crore 59 lakh shares consisting of 15% stake of the government. The issue opens from 29th of September to 1st of October. The price band has been set at Rs 135 to 145 per share for a lot size of 103 shares. Now, Mazagon Dock is one of the India's leading shipyard companies which is engaged in the construction of warships and submarines for the Ministry of Defence with a maximum capacity of 40,000 deadweight tons. It is India's only shipyard to have built destroyers and conventional submarines for the Indian Navy. Mazagon was incorporated as a private company in 1934 and in the year 1960 Government of India took over its control, and since then it has built total of 795 vessels including 25 warships from advanced destroyers to missile boats and 3 submarines. Moving on, the company has received 15 orders for shipbuilding and 10 orders for submarine building over the course of 18 fiscals including repair and refit works. Till now, it has delivered 27 orders for shipbuilding and 5 orders for submarines. As of now, Mazagon holds an order book worth Rs 54,000 crore including orders of P-15B destroyers and P-17A stealth fighters for Ministry of Defence. If the execution goes as planned, the company can generate stable cash flows over the coming 5 years. Coming to its financial performance, Mazagon has recorded 9.1% CAGR growth in its revenue from operations in the last 4 years. Despite consistent revenue growth, its PAT hasn't been up to the mark. In fact, there has been a degrowth over the years. But it has delivered decent shareholder returns with an average return on equity of 17% in the last 4 years. In terms of valuations, Mazagon Dock is currently undervalued at a PE of 6 times in comparison to its industry peers which have an average PE of 9 times. Now, let's look at some of the risks in the company. Firstly, one of the major risks for Mazagon is its high dependency on orders from Ministry of Defence. There is no assurance that the company will be selected by the Ministry of Defence for future defence orders on a nomination basis. Secondly, any delay or postponement in the Indian defence budget could indirectly have an impact on the company's operations and future order book. Thirdly, any enforced delay in fulfillment of orders could impact cost of the project and lead to time overruns. To conclude, Mazagon Dock is a dominant player in building of warships and submarines with high entry barriers in the business which allows it to maintain its monopoly position in the industry. The government's recent push for Atmanirbhar Bharat in terms of manufacturing of defense equipment is going to immensely benefit the company. Attractive valuations coupled with clean balance sheet and a debt-free status makes this IPO good bet. Therefore, we recommend investors to subscribe to this IPO for listing gains. It being a risky bet, investors should assess their own risk appetite and be careful before subscribing given the market conditions. Thank you.